So this is the basic dome. As you can see, it's made of hexagons and pentagons, and also a half hexagon at the bottom. The half hexagons have vents. This is looking up into one of those air vents. It has a mesh over the top to keep insects and all kinds of critters out. The subfloor consists of steel posts going into the ground, galvanized steel posts go down about 1 meter into the ground and they're concreted there, and they are bolted to a subfloor joist. The door swings outwards and it makes it very easy to seal it. You can see here it's got about 1 inch going right around it to seal it, 1 inch of fiberglass. There are flowers built into the half hexes, and they're actually built into the mold, so you get this 3D effect. And we've been painting them. You can paint them any colour you want. Perhaps some of the ladies would like to do that. The top pentagon lifts up entirely and can be cranked up or cranked down either with a mechanical bolt type device which can be cranked up like a crank handle, or in our case we've actually got electric, which just lifts it straight up and straight down, but that lets the air out and sucks the air out of the place. So the air comes in the vents, which are down here, and up through, extracted out through the top. This is a view from the inside looking up at the pentagon, and as you can see there is a mesh right across, an insect screen right across, which is held up with Velcro, so it can be pulled off or pulled on. And you can see we've got 3 actuators for actually lifting the top pentagon up. So we can press a switch, it goes straight up, press it again and it'll come down again. But that can also be done with a threaded thing, which I've designed the mechanism for, which makes it simple, it's not expensive. You just put a crank handle on it, put it through the little loop and crank it, and it winds it up. Upstairs we have a hot water tank. This has both an electric heating for the hot water, and it also has these 2 pipes here. Here's this one's coming in, and this other one down here that's one's going in, the other one's coming out, and it goes out to a hot water panel, a solar panel, which heats up the hot water. So it's free. You end up with hot water that's free. So you can have a hot shower, you can wash your dishes in warm water, which of course is much more hygienic. Here we have a gas hob, and in this case we have a gas oven as well. The beauty of the gas is that it's clean, you can turn it on, turn it off, doesn't make a lot of heat. But of course in this particular setting we also have an extractor as well. And both of these units come from China, and we can have supplied, we've developed really good relationships with these companies. We are running 12 volt fans, which we have a step down from 48 volts, but many systems, and I'm imagining that the power systems that we put into Fijian homes will be 12 volt and will basically be used for fans and lights. The bathroom, which can be various different constructions, and around the corner here is the shower. We have, in this one, we have hot and cold running water, of course. This is looking into the master bedroom. As you can see, it's quite large. We have incorporated a 2-person bath in the corner of it, but that was a choice on our part, again, that came from China. And over the bed we have cupboards, because we're trying to use as much, gain as much space as we can, and much storage space. You can see in the kitchen we have used 800 by 800 tiles. These are from China, and being from China they're much cheaper than you would get most places, but that could be lino or any other surface. We've chosen these because we could afford them. Now the interior walls are made of 30mm ply, and we have specially made ply for us that's been made for us, and so the floor and the walls are 30mm ply, and the mezzanine floor as well up above is 30mm ply. Now upstairs we have our office, but this could easily be made into 2 bedrooms. Take you through to have a look. We do video editing, so we have quite a bit of equipment in here for that purpose. These are 300 amp hour 12 volt batteries. They've been specially made for us, and they last about 8 years.